Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you guys this new online banking website. It comes with a lot of amazing features, which are international transfer, local transfer, IRS, tax refund, and loan. So in this video, I'll show you guys how to actually set up this website for yourself, how this website works, and how you can just manage this website for yourself or for your clients. All right, so wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into the video. So you can see now it comes with an amazing front end. You can see the colors, the layout, and everything done for you, the images and everything I think well selected for you. No need to start worrying yourself about all those information. You can see that it comes with multiple page, about service, and the contact us page, right? So this is just the basic, basically the front end. I see designed very awesome. So now let me log into my account so I can show you how the dashboard actually works. Okay, so this is once you log into your account, you can see it comes with a very amazing dashboard. You can see your account balance here, your monthly income, monthly out, the transfer limit. You can see your available balance here. You can toggle this off or on. Okay, you can see the time. You can see to send or add funds here. Okay, so here you can see your history, deposit, and all that here. All right, so here you have your transactions. Alright, so you can see the amazing loader too. So here you can see your transactions that are pending, approved, processed, and all that here. You can choose to filter this and all that. So here you have your visual cards. You can actually apply for a card. You can see you actually have this two card here now. Just apply, activate, and use your card. You can see you can ask question. Very easy. Just apply for your card, and once you have approved it, you see your card there. So here we have the local transfer. Okay, and here you just have to put in the amount. Okay, put in the amount, the recipient name, put in the account number, the bank name, choose type, and after that put in your description, put your transaction pin, then prove your transaction. So let me just put that real quick so you can actually see how that actually works. Let's say test, test. Okay, alright, put in your account number. Alright, you can see test bank. Okay, so put test, your transaction pin, put that there. Then let's preview this. Alright, so just have to preview this. You can see the nice, that's an amazing preview. After that, just click on send, and that is just it. So let me just cancel this. So this is just how the local transfer actually works. So for international transfer, it comes with multiple billing code, which is the IMF, COT, and all that. So yeah, for that is global transfer. You can do wire, crypto, paper, wires, or cash out. Understand? So let's go for, let's say, wire transfer. So just put in your amount, put in basically your details. You put in your SWIFT code, the IBAN number, then your transaction pin. Then to prompt you for your part to put your IMF, your COT, and other basic information for the transfer. And that's just that about this international wire transfer part. So the same process for let me show you something. Crypto, if you want to go crypto, it's very easy. Just select the method, then put in your address, and that is just it. Okay, so here we have deposit funds. Here you can actually add funds to this your online banking website. You can choose to pay through bank transfer, paper, or let's say Bitcoin. All right, so you can choose bank transfer. Enter the amount, can continue. Okay, so we just have to make payments. Okay, then if I make this is the bank name, account number, and all that. So if I make a payment from the approved, then submit it. Once it has been approved, your account will be created automatically. So that's just how that works. Here you have a loan request. You can actually take loan on this particular website. So you just have to see the available loans: personal, automobile loan, business loan, joint mortgage, secured overdraft, and just apply. After a quick review, approval, then disbursement, and all that here. So application restricted. Okay, apply now and get edition. So application currently restricted. You already have a pending loan already. So if you have a pending loan, you can't take on that loan again. So all that can be managed from the admin side, which I'll be showing you guys later on in this video. So that's just that for the loan. Here you have your IRS tax refund. Okay, so you can just put your personal information, your ID, and all that here. After doing all that, click on submit request, and that will be processed by the admin. All that which can actually manage from the admin side too. Okay, so that's that. For that, you have a loan history. You can see all the loan you have taken on this website. You can see this country still processed and all that. You can choose to export or filter this year. And here we have your settings, which you can actually update your information, be it your name, your profile picture, your transaction pin, just basically your basic informations. You can choose to edit all that here, which is actually very nice. Okay, so that's just that for the user side. Also, we have the support ticket, which you can actually open a support ticket, and that will be created, which our admin can actually reply to you and all that. That's just that for the user dashboard. You can see it's very easy, straight to the point, nothing too complicated here, and it's very easy to use. So now let me show you that the admin side, show how you can manage the admin. The admin can manage this particular website and all that here. So now this is the admin dashboard. Once you log in, here you have a total deposit, total pending deposit, total transfer, pending transfer, total users, and all that information here. So here you have manage users here, this side by here. Okay, you can see total number of users on this website. Okay, so you can click on manage particular user. Okay, click on manage. You can see the IMF code. This is actually for international transfer. These are all the COT code and all that, date of birth, the registration date, and all that. So here, if you click on action here, you can choose to fund this user, change the profile picture, reset the password, turn dormant account. If you turn dormant account, the user will not be able to log in. That's like the user will not be able to make transfer. So here you have clear account, edit, send me to a particular user. Also see login this user account from the admin side. You can see login activities. You can block this user from logging into the website. So that's just basically how this user session the admin side actually work. So here you have your delete user tool, which you want to delete user from the platform if you want to do that. Okay, so you can just see the total balance of this user, account limit, loans, on the KYC, which is already verified. So here you have create new user. Okay, you can create a new user for this particular website, put in the basic information. After filling all this, you can just click on add user. So this user will be created, and user can actually log in into this particular website. Okay. So here you have new user application, which actually the KYC application. So you can see this is currently verified now. Click on view. Okay, right, so you can see this is my account, which are actually verified. To verify, just click on action here. You can just click on reject or verify user, or just put in the information, then you put the email subject with the account verified. Then after that, click on confirm, and that's just how this KYC verification actually works. So here you can see your transfer histories. Okay, transfer history of this particular website. Okay, so if you click on view here, you can see the we call it the amounts and the history. Then you can choose to make this page rejected or on hold. After change the status, put in the date, and click on processed. Yeah, so that's just how this session actually works. So here user deposits. Okay, you can see user deposit is in process. This one is currently pending now. If I click on view here, okay, click on view. Okay, so this is the deposit proof. All I have to do is to click on coming with that. Let me go back. Okay, this is just to view. So you can choose to process this, to process this particular transaction which actually showing pending. Okay, so that's that for that. Here you have the loans. You can see your active loans on this website. You can choose to approve, delete, or more options. Okay, more options, you can delete it or mark as pending, and all those basically those information here. Okay, so that's that for that. So here you have your visual card. You can see all cards on this website. You can see the pending. Alright, so you can see all this card here. You can click on view or block this card or delete the card. So if you click on view card here, you can see the particular card for this particular user. You can choose to top up the card and debit from the card and put in the description and all that. After that, click on top up. So here you have the fee of 25 USD for that, and you can see the user profile that actually owns this particular card. Okay, here you have your IRS refund. Click on all. Okay, all right, so you can see all that here. You can choose to still approve or delete this particular one here too. Here you have your email service. Okay, all right, so this will send me to all users or users with active accounts. Then just basically that, and put in the message you want to do, then click on send, and it will be sent to all the users. So here you have the manage admin. You can choose to delete this, edit, or reset the password, or send email to the admin. Okay, so here we have settings. App settings. Here is actually some of the basic information of this website, be the name, the website URL, the address, the time, the live chat, the logo, and all that. So here you have your transfer code. You can choose to change the name and all that here, or turn it on or off. Here you have your preference. Choosing a put all that here. You can choose to on KYC, turn it off, or enable verification. All that can save. Okay, so here you have your SMTP details. Your users can receive mail. Your putting your webmail details here, password. Setting that up, you can save. Then basically that's just how this admin dashboard actually works.